Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya State Skills Development Society organizes the MSSDS Hut Bazaar at the premises of the State Central Library in Shillong. Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya organizes sit-in demonstration in front of MBO's office in Shillong. Maikuli villagers oppose giving of fish pond to Assam. And Meghalaya government sanctions 97 crore rupees to repair the fifth ground at Polo in Shillong. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya State Skills Development Society today organizes the MSSDS Hut Bazaar at the premises of the State Central Library, Shillong. Srimati R.V. Suchang, IAS Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, attended the program as the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Suchang quoted Prime Minister Narendra Modi's statement that skill development is a national need and it is a foundation for Atma Nirbhar India, a self-reliant India.
Skill development and entrepreneurship development, and we already have an ecosystem which is called the Prime Hub. So after you get your skill, from MSSDS, then you can go, all potential entrepreneurs can go to the Prime Hub, and that's where you get a hand-holding support. They link you to, banks, they link you to financial institutions, they give you tech support. So, basically, they also have business plans which can be developed, which can be prepared for you. So, so a step from here, from skill, you go to a Prime Hub, where probably you will be given further, assistance.
We have organized this hut in order to promote our local entrepreneurs. There are 40 stalls, as you can see. We have also converged with various departments like the MSRLS, the horticulture, the agriculture, and then we also have departments like the MHHDC, MBDA, and there are various products that you can see, from handicrafts to wine making to the various condiments that is available from the city, soap, and detergents. And then we also have a lot of food available locally.
The ad hoc teachers under the banner of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya today organized the sit-in demonstration in front of the office of the Meghalaya Board of School Education at Lower Lashmere in Shillong. The sit-in demonstration was organized to pressurize the state government to concede to their demand to recognize the ad hoc school teachers as deficit school teachers. The sit-in agitation will continue till the teachers' demand is met. So as not to disturb the students who will appear for the MBO's examination, the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya has decided that only 5 teachers will take part every day in the sit-in demonstration.
Kay ngidon kam bangin don hapo jong ki classroom bangin don haki surok bangin syong bumi ha ba jong kanika office MBO's tilada ka government kali menti ni la shembu ya karai ba ha April ngin sa launch no da ka full-fledged agitation ha ka bangin khot bangin ya wer ya paro kino hikai lalaki de ki ad hoc ne kim de ki ad hoc ya ki kemi ki pa ya ki kena ki bangi la hikai hadu menta itu ki bala pas bat ki bala late class ngin khot lo dia baro salonsar lagi de ki riu madan la di manu menuru kila bagin dia one bakin ya join lang ya kanika jing ya lang jingi ha ka ba indawa na ka government bangin yo ya ka bat lada ka government kaliat menti dingim bansi bangin haban launch da kata ka ultimate agitation.
The Khasi Students' Union Joy unit today said that the dumping of garbage should not become an election issue. The students' body said that it deeply distresses the organization to see the accumulation of garbage in Joy town, as the government is not doing anything in this regard. The KSU also urged the residents of Joy town to cooperate with the authorities to solve this problem. The students' body also said that the setting of the new garbage dumping ground should be done in a scientific way.
Kerpat jor ia ke sarkar usia bahago u tho kilat bukti kam gejok ko kat ni ko kaman ule kenang wa ulatnya kini ki jabok jaban umi lani u berpathar ui gi kenang wa em kam to ule ki ke juk ko kat ni na u yo lang ke jing khoj ye waro lang te gawi le i hi na ke ne sen i mem kwa i wa yet kini ke chat ko yalap election ni ga lani u wanra ki pai ba wala da nga le pikir chan bi nga ini tai nga ugi ben ver di ki chap le ji nga le nga sen im kwa i gata i kwa i wa rangkat ki pai ba rangkat ki nong elam yang ke distrik ku ya krek lang rangkan untuk do ya kadau kti ivi kanam wa ya ugi na i u wanra ya jing ko ji suba kam ki snam da deb hapo ni ga sorjwa.
The people of Maikuli village living along the Assam and Meghalaya border of Ribhoi district today express unhappiness that the state government has given a portion of the village to Assam during the boundary settlement of the two states. The headman of this village, Clendon Sangma, said this village belongs to Meghalaya and there's no reason for the state government to give this land to Assam for the sake of the give and take policy for boundary settlement.
Angaba badok bisongba gari non bekai ba playa. Adege bolda jol ana man jajok wallo at bajiore bai ya bolda ko bisong yenga thi khainga dede wallo ni gapara chaugubama namgupama kuba ni nibo bolda thi khane bode abri angko ne kenma wallo ara yade angade namme namnek chanda ka khamrang ko de uni man ya ongija khamrang ko anga jegala yade yani gman angade namme no poska ya chingni a ya chingni kopram chingni fishery angko de chingade watchawa the
people of Maikuli village in Ribhoi district yesterday came out in large numbers to oppose allowing the fish pond in this village to go to Assam while settling the border dispute of Meghalaya and Assam. The villagers were initially prevented by the district authorities from seeing the fish pond, and later they were allowed to see the pond after a brief talk with the authorities. When the villagers were prevented by the district authorities from seeing the pond, they showed them the land document that this village falls under Meghalaya.
When the Prince Renington Tonkar, he have come before the Gumati, no. So that time also I have already told him also, because we have already registered our land, fishery pond and football field and our graveyard also. So I request the Renington Tonkar also, you please listen our demand. We never accept the give and take policy, sir. Please you hear our problem. I told Mr. Renington Tonkar also. So that's my sir. What to do? What to say? The Chief Minister, how he given our fishery pond and other our land to Assam? No, it is not possible.
Meghalaya Sports Minister Bantedor Lingdo today said that the state government has sanctioned an amount of 97 crore rupees for repairing the fifth ground at JN Complex Polo in Shillong. The minister informed this during the inspection of the work that is going on at the fifth ground. Speaking to the media, Bantedor Lingdo said the state government has also sanctioned an amount of 39 crore rupees for the development of the tennis ground and 10 crore rupees for the crinoline swimming pool.
Nigalong kumbasa pukul dunai kini ke GN complex, but Ramadan but sitting but kini covered gallery, but kumju katai ka fifth ground part indoor international state of arts kan Shillong kumba khandai punyo kurut nilakot tanda. But kumju katay hapo tennis court kandon ki swimming pool kandon kibun ki indoor activities mo ki discipline ki bangin bu antay kandon kanlong kumba laipo kandai kror ka crinoline swimming pool nila khatandar kumba shipo kror ini ki major project ki bangila simkhian na kalyang state ka jongi ngongi pi hadien ngiladap san posnem kanlong ke jingleran la dang imla ban penbiang ini ki bro dengan dokumen mengsimkhia ber uji minister ber government jongi ki colleagues cabinet jongi ki bakloi ban pediang ya kini kijing terwa nakabenta bangin wanra ki infrastructure ki babiang nakabenta kinongil akai ber kinong song sinong nakabenta ke jella ka ki jongi.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.